Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set up email subscription types in HubSpot. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser, navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing and sales tools. After you're logged in and can see your dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon up there, which is your gateway to all the settings and configurations in HubSpot. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the settings panel. This is where you'll be able to customize various aspects of your HubSpot account, including email preferences and subscription options. Once the settings panel opens, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see several sections listed vertically, and you need to find the one labeled Tools. This section contains all the technical and operational settings for your HubSpot portal. Under the Tools section, you'll see different categories for various HubSpot features. Now, locate the marketing option under the Tools section and click on it. This expands the marketing settings, which gives you access to all your marketing-related configurations, including email campaigns, forms, and subscription management. From the expanded marketing menu, click on Email. This takes you to the core email settings, where you can manage how your emails are sent, tracked, and organized. Once you're in the email settings, look towards the top of the screen and click on Subscription Types. This is the specific area where you can create and manage different categories of emails that your contacts can subscribe to or unsubscribe from. Setting up subscription types is essential because it gives your audience control over what kind of content they want to receive from you, which improves engagement and reduces unsubscribe rates. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a button that says Create Subscription Type. Click on this button to start building your new subscription category. This opens up a form where you'll define the details of your subscription type. First, you'll need to select a language for the subscription type. Click the drop-down menu under Language and choose the appropriate language from the list. This ensures that your subscription messaging appears in the correct language for your audience. Next, you'll need to input a subscription name. This is the title that your contacts will see when they manage their email preferences, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. For example, you might name it Monthly Newsletter or Product Updates. Below that, enter a description that explains what kind of email subscribers will receive if they opt into this category. This helps set expectations and makes it easier for people to decide what they want to receive. Once you've filled in the subscription name, description, and selected your language, take a moment to review everything and make sure it all looks correct. When you're satisfied with your settings, click the Create button. HubSpot will process your request and add the new subscription type to your account, making it available for use in your email campaigns and preference centers. And that's it. You've successfully set up a new email subscription type in HubSpot, giving your contacts more control over their email preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.